Welcome back to BMX Dad channel. Today we are going to do a rebuild on the premium inspired Garrett Reynolds signature frame that I've done a couple of builds on before last year. This time I've actually splashed down some new parts. Got some Odyssey Aaron Ross 2.4s, nice brown wood effect pedals, excellent sprocket guard here, sub-rosa, and the rest is going to stay pretty much the same. I'm changing the cranks. These Primo cranks are great, but they don't fit with sprocket guards, so I've got some other cranks I'm going to put on. It should look pretty sweet.